Hacker English Academy. I can swim in the pool. I cannot believe he forgot my birthday again. She looks forward to starting her new job next week. We look forward to seeing you at the party tonight. How much does it cost to travel to Europe during peak season? How much does it cost to repair a cracked phone screen these days? I want to read a new book. They want to travel to Paris. I like swimming in the ocean. He likes reading mystery novels. Are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure it will rain today? The more you practice, the more you improve. The more you read, the more you learn. She is not only smart but also kind. He can play not only the guitar but also the piano. There are many stars in the sky. There are 3 books on the table. I'm calling to confirm our appointment. I'm calling to ask about the job opening. Why don't you join us for dinner? Why don't you take a break? I'm trying to learn a new language. She's trying to finish her project on time. Hurry up, Tommy. It's time to go. It's time to start working on his project. It's kind of you to offer your help, but I can still manage. It's kind of you to let me come along while you go shopping. I have to study for my exam tomorrow. They have to wear uniforms at school.